So today I'm gonna continue my piano tutorial River Flows in You, and today I will be covering measures 21 through 36. So first I'll play and then we'll go slower. And that would be measure 21 through 36. The way Yiruma plays this piece, if you go Google it, YouTube it, he plays right hand louder than the left hand, and he also slows down and speeds up, which is called sort of like rubato. So it's up to you the way you interpret, but I really like, you know, he's the composer, I like how he plays it. Okay, so first, let's go to the left hand. Measure 21. Again, it's going to be a lot of repeat. So what we want is F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. Then we move down to D, A, E, D. That would be measure 21. Measure 22, you're going to move down to A, and it's a stretchy. A, E, and then thumb will reach out to C sharp and back down to A. And the next thing I would like you to do is move your hand to finger 5 on E, B, E. So that's 22. Measure 23. F sharp, C sharp, and then it's going to be a little stretchy. It's a D, E, and another E. Next measure, we're going down to A. Again, we already had that. C sharp, back down to A. And again, I'm going to bring my pinky to E. Second finger B, E. And then again, melody goes round and round in circles. So F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, down to A, E, C sharp, A, and E, B, E, E. And here, measure 27, I would take F sharp, 4 finger, C sharp and second finger, and thumb on F sharp, if it's comfortable, if you have big enough hands. If not, then you can use finger 5. So whichever you're comfortable. Now here I go to D, A, E, D, and down again. A, E, C sharp, A, and then we go first time E, B, G sharp, E. Measure 29. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp. D, A, E, D. A, E, C sharp, A, down to E, B, G sharp, E. Then we have F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, A, E, C sharp, A, go down to E, B, G sharp, E, F brings us to measure 36 before 37. So right hand, I'm picking up from the measure 20th, the last half a beat runs into it. So you always go when what is the phrasing, and the phrasing begins on measure 20 into 21. So here we go, right hand only. So I begin with my finger, thumb on 1 on A, C sharp second finger, and pinky on A. So G sharp A, holding, 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 little grace note B to C sharp, and I bring my thumb and my hand forward to G sharp and B. Then we're gonna go really quickly from A, G sharp into E and A. And we're holding that. I put my second finger on A. Then my third finger to C sharp. See, everything goes 2 times. Then measure 25, again back to melody, but instead of 60 notes, we just have grace note C sharp to A. Again grace note B to C sharp. I would put finger 1 here, then I could reach my C sharp. Now this part is a little tricky what comes next. So 2 grace notes this time. I'm gonna go to B, and then we have 60 notes into 4th. So I'm gonna go this one more time, slower. So again, I'm gonna repeat this in tempo. So that's how it's gonna sound when you go faster. Measure 27. Again, sets of 2s. So I'm gonna repeat one more time 27 and 28 without stops. Back to melody, little hop, again, thumb on A, E, C, again grace notes, so B, C, B, A, G sharp, B, E, B, and back again, little hop, measure 31, All right, so there it is, hands separately, and you heard the beginning how it's supposed to sound. And if you need more advice or more tutorials, just write me. I'll answer all your questions. Good luck, and I'll record my next tutorial, the rest of the piece, which is measure 37 through 45. This piece has only 45 measures. It seems like 100, but it's really 45. Okay, good luck. Bye.